Hi, this is Carl with another SOP video for managed service providers. Today I want to talk about date formats. What could be more boring than how you write the date onto a piece of paper or on a file name or within a file? Well, here's the deal. There are many more date formats than you can imagine. Just give everybody on your staff something where they have to put the date at the top, right? And then collect all those things and put them in date order by what's written down there. What you're going to find is it's actually amazing how creative people can be with something as simple as a date format. Take a look at this yourself. Open up Microsoft Excel and then go to one of the cells and format it for the date. What you will find is there's a couple of things in there like M, which is just the month, and if you ignore stupid stuff like that, there are 16 options in my Excel for how you might format the date in that particular worksheet. So that's 16 kind of standardized ways of writing dates that Microsoft has put together. But believe me, your staff will come up with even more. So why does this matter? Well, here's the deal. As with many things in life, the more standardized you are, the more profitable you're going to be. If you never have to worry about whether 1-6 means January 6th or June 1st, it saves you a little bit of time and a little bit of confusion. You know, if you think about it, with something as simple as a date, why should you ever experience confusion when you're trying to do something in your job? And this is just a simple thing that, you know, since you're going to hire a whole bunch of people, and with luck over time, you know, let's say employees will stay 3, 4, 5 years, maybe longer if you're lucky. But, you know, there's going to be turnover and there's going to be a lot of people. And over the course of 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, well, you're going to have a whole lot of people coming through the system. Just make your life easier and standardize your date formats so that, you know, you may write one way in a letter or a memo and have a different standardized date format for file names or for file formats. Whatever it is, this doesn't have to be a long, super complicated SOP. Just pick a couple of them and say, in this circumstance, we use this date format. In this circumstance, we use this date format. Period. End of story. That's it. Just occasionally remind people of this. It's not a huge, big thing, but it's one of those things that over time, it's just going to make your life a whole lot easier. Sometimes the tiny little things really do add up. For Small Biz Thoughts, this is Carl Polchuk, wishing you the best of luck in your managed service business. Please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to ring that bell so you can be notified when we post a new video.